Hello everyone, this is just going to be a very short video since I'm actually installing the flow control kit for a customer on the Quick Mill Rubino matte black version. So I must just do a quick video to show you the machines and how we do the initial tuning up and things like that. So stay tuned. What you are actually seeing now is the Quick Mill Rubino. It's a heat exchanger, single boiler, but comes with we already installed the flow control kit for the customer. So this is the flow control, which is similar to what the rocket is having, which means you are able to turn from minimum flow, which is zero flow at all, to the maximum flow in about 360 plus. Right. So later I'm going to demo to you how the machine actually I will not be pulling short on this machine because it's a custom machine, but I'm just going to show you how we know that everything else is working, right? So first of all, we have already installed water in the tank. So this is the Quick Mill machines, right? Very neat machine. It's very well built, right? You can see the matte black color version is fantastic in color, right? I do have my old trusty Rubino. This is my own unit, which I use it for demo. I've owned this machine for about 4 years already, which is still running great. You can see that I've also installed the flow control on my own, right? So this is what you have seen now is the matte black version. I'll be introducing the Rubino Plus very soon, which is the PID version, right? So you can see the full body is matte black color. Even the grill is matte black color. Of course, the top, drip tray cover, not drip tray, the the cup warming tray cover is actually in stainless steel, because when you put your cups on, it will leave behind marks and you'll wear off the black color very fast. Therefore, they do the top in chrome stainless steel color. The drip tray is also in black, but the drip tray cover piece is in chrome, which is similar to what you have seen here. The tray here is actually my own because I do not want to take out the customer unit and test. So right now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to test the flow, and then test the steam, and then also test the hot water one, right? So let's test the steam first. Steam is working beautifully, right? By the way, it comes with cool touch steam one. Right now it's really cool touch. Now let's check the hot water one. Right, let's get a milk jug, right? Okay, hot water one works beautifully. That's the pump kicking on to start to pump water. Right, so this is what you see, and now we got to check the flow control. So to check the flow control, we have to use a blind basket. So let me take it out. Before I put on the blind basket, I'm just going to show you how we restrict the flow from 0 and all the way to max. Basically, you just have to turn on the lever. Right now it's at the max position, I think. Oh, it's a minimum position, so you can see that there's no water coming out. And slowly, this is about a quarter turn. Right, half turn. You can see water start to come out. And then another half turn. Another quarter. So this is pretty much the maximum flow. Right, and then you can actually turn all the way back to close it off, right? So the flow control is working beautifully. Now we got to see that the install gauge actually works. So right now I have to pause my video and then get on my blind basket and then lock in the polyfilter, and then you can see how it works. So now I have my blind basket on, so let's lock it up. Right, usually new machines will be a little bit harder to lock in. So now let's minimize the flow first. So when you switch on, right, you can see that the control dial actually goes all the way. Okay, now there's no flow, so I can actually increase the flow. Right, you can see that the meter is going up. Right now, because it's a blind basket, so you can see that we will know that this meter is actually working. So the quick mill comes with really nice blue color, right? So this is basically how we do the test before we send out the machine, especially when customer requests for installation of the flow control meter. All right, so thanks for joining me today in looking at the matte black version of the quick mill Rubino, which is a very handsome machine. It is not a PID machine for this model, but I've been using it for probably 4 years on this machine, and since a heat exchanger without PID, but it does have thermostat to control the temperature, just that the temperature control is not as precise as a PID version. It will fluctuate maybe around 2 to 3 degrees Celsius, and if you let the machine stationary dormant for about half an hour, to solve the problem, just flush the group for about 5 to 6 seconds to purge out the steaming hot water, and then you are good to go to pull shots, right? So thank you. This is Seah once again. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do remember to hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you very soon in the next video. Well, probably it's for tomorrow's live, right? Usually I try to do video at night, but after I settle my kids to sleep, it gets really tired, and then just don't feel like doing anything else but to sleep. So I will try to do some live stream at home, right, at night time. We'll see how it goes, right? So thanks, and see you next time. The flow control as well. So I hope I have the time to do it. What's the time now? It's almost 10. Okay. It's really very heavy. Okay. Everything is red. Okay, let me see. I have to leave this machine out of the box. Okay. By the way, this is the black color quick mill Rubino. Entire machine is black except the top tray. So this, my customer has already purchased this. Let's look at this beauty, right? Right, it's a black color Rubino. Wow, it's nice. Okay, there's a few things I need to do. Number one is to change the power cord. Okay, this one has to be done carefully. Okay, I bought a tool, but the tool didn't arrive. It's lost in shipping, I think. So supposed to help me strip these wires faster and safer, so that I won't cut the cable inside. Okay. Okay, so the tree is out. Okay, brown is live, green is earth, blue is neutral, right? Secondary school science. Oops. Has to be very careful because this is powder coating. Yep. Okay, let me see. Yeah, exactly why the manufacturer doesn't ship with the UK 3-pin, right? Yes. Burst review, sure, I can do something like that. I really like the Yunnan #2 person packaging though. Yeah, I like the packaging. It just catches eyeball so well. You know, the burst inside the 90 mm is the I believe is the low fine. Yeah, bright and acidic body. Yeah. What's the water to coffee ratio for Americano? Usually for Americano, we do 1:6 to 1:7, right? Yeah, that's the ratio we do, right? 36 gram espresso with 150 gram of water. It was too watery for me. Ah, I see. Okay. Onion Bro says that, right? I personally like, you can try Aerocino, right? Aerocano or Aerocano. I think it's called Aerocano, right? You just put some ice cube inside. Okay, let's slot the earth in. Ah, sometimes when you're in a rush, you make more errors. Okay, this is very important. Cannot get this wrong. Okay, I may have to delay the delivery to the afternoon because I don't think I have the time in the morning. Okay, this one has to be cut. Yes. Okay, I have to stay away from the machine. It's black, you know, so it tends to, if I get any scratches on it, it'll look really bad. Okay, that's the neutral. Okay. Okay, so I have to cut this. I like the electrical wiring inside to be neat. Right, there shouldn't be excess wire moving around. As you can see, neatly done. Okay, then the next will be tightening the cable so that it doesn't get pulled out easily. So there's these two screws here which allows you to tighten the cable so that if you yank the cable, it will not come out from its connection. That's why I like this UK 3-pin plug. It gives the extra security. You know, sometimes you can trip over a wire and the entire connection just be pulled out. So this will prevent that, at least try to prevent that from happening. Right, so there's a nylon strip here that holds the cable, right, so it doesn't get pulled out easily. Okay, now the plug has been changed. I have to take out the flow control kit and change it too. Okay. Okay, this is done. Okay, let's keep all these tools. This is the tool sets. Clear all the trash. Okay. Okay. So basically, we also sell these mods, which is actually the quick mail flow control kit. Right, what comes with, right, is the entire mushroom assembly. Right, it's a brand new mushroom. Right, so this is where you control the flow. Right, O-ring. Okay, and of course it comes with a quick mail gauge, really nice gauge, and then of course a spring and then an Allen key. Okay, so okay, I have to get my tool set. Okay, there are some grease on top. Let's remove those. Where my cleaner? Is there some white mark on it? Okay, probably some grease. Can you see there are some marking on the stainless steel? Okay, I have to get some cleaner to clean this. Okay. Okay, it's gone. It's okay. Okay, spotless. Oh, like a mirror, right? You see that? That's how well their metal is being finished. By the way, Quick Mill has their own steel factory. Every single piece of steel they fabricate on their factory. Right, you can actually search on my video listing. I think I visited their factory about 2 years ago. I'm really impressed. It's a small family-owned business. Okay, so now I have to install this. Okay, I've installed this quite some time ago. Step 1, unscrew the mushroom by using a wrench key. Okay, so I have to take out the top mushroom. Let's do that. Okay, oh, I do not have a large enough wrench. Okay, let's see this one. Oh no, it's one size smaller. I have to get the... Yeah, I can't do it. Adjustable spanner. Okay, I think I can only do this later. I will probably have to advise my customer I can only deliver the machine later in the afternoon. Okay, so probably I'll do this. Can't do it now because I do not have the adjustable wrench in my shop, so I have to buy one. I used to have one, but I don't know where I displaced it, so I have to find one. So okay, oh, it's already 1 hour 25. I can't imagine 9 of you still stays online with me. Let me just look at